For decades, humans believed one thing would always make us special: our intelligence. Machines could lift heavy objects, cars could move faster than humans, computers could calculate numbers instantly, but creativity, language, decision making, and human thinking, those belong to us, or at least that's what we thought. Because today, artificial intelligence is changing everything faster than anyone expected. AI can now write essays, create videos, answer questions, generate music, replace customer service workers, and even write computer code. Some people call it the biggest technological revolution in human history. Others call it a warning sign. Because for millions of workers around the world, AI is no longer just a futuristic idea. It is becoming a real competitor. And one question is starting to scare people everywhere. What happens when machines can do human jobs better than humans? Today, we explore the rise of artificial intelligence and the growing fear that AI may replace millions of jobs sooner than we think. Humans have always created machines to make work easier. During the Industrial Revolution, factories introduced machines that replaced many manual workers. At first, people were terrified. Workers believed machines would destroy society and take away all jobs forever. And in some ways, they were right. Many old jobs disappeared completely, but history also showed something important. Technology often destroys old jobs while creating new ones. For example, cars replaced horse transportation, computers replaced typewriters. The internet changed communication forever. Every technological revolution creates winners and losers, but artificial intelligence feels different, because this time, machines are not only replacing physical labor, they are beginning to replace thinking itself. For years, artificial intelligence developed slowly in the background, but then everything changed. AI tools suddenly became powerful enough for ordinary people to use. AI could write articles in seconds. AI could generate realistic art instantly. AI could imitate human voices. And some AI systems became surprisingly good at programming. Suddenly, many workers started asking themselves, if AI can already do this now, what will happen in 5 years? That fear spread quickly across the internet, because for the first time in history, white-collar workers also felt threatened. Not just factory workers, not just drivers, but writers, designers, programmers, editors, teachers, even lawyers. Artificial intelligence was entering industries once considered completely safe. One of the first industries heavily affected by AI was customer service. Many companies now use AI chatbots instead of human support agents. AI can answer questions instantly, work 24 hours a day, and never get tired. For businesses, this saves enormous amounts of money, but for workers, it creates uncertainty. Another industry changing rapidly is graphic design. AI image generators can now create logos, illustrations, and marketing graphics within seconds. Tasks that once required hours of human work can now happen instantly. Writers are also feeling pressure. AI tools can already generate articles, summarize information, create marketing scripts, and even write video narration. Some companies have started reducing freelance writers because AI can produce content faster and cheaper. Even software development is changing. AI coding assistants are helping programmers write code much faster than before. Some experts believe AI will not completely replace programmers, but it may reduce the number of junior developers companies need to hire. And this is only the beginning. One reason AI creates so much fear is because people understand how quickly technology improves. Smartphones became powerful within only a few years. The internet transformed society extremely fast, and AI development appears to be moving even faster. Every few months, new AI systems become smarter, faster, cheaper, and more realistic. This creates uncertainty about the future. Many workers are now asking, should I even study this career anymore? Students wonder whether their future jobs will still exist after graduation. Some workers feel pressure to constantly learn new skills just to stay competitive. And perhaps the most frightening part, nobody truly knows where AI development will stop. Experts believe certain jobs are far more vulnerable to AI than others. Jobs involving repetitive digital tasks are especially at risk. For example, data entry, basic customer support, transcription, simple content writing, repetitive office work. These tasks follow clear patterns, and AI is very good at pattern recognition. Translation is also changing rapidly. AI translators are becoming more accurate every year. Voice cloning technology is affecting voice actors. AI-generated art is challenging illustrators. Even video editing is becoming more automated. But some jobs remain much harder to replace. Jobs involving human emotion, physical interaction, leadership, creativity at a high level, and unpredictable real-world situations are currently safer. For example, nurses, therapists, electricians, teachers, surgeons, and skilled trades still rely heavily on human abilities, at least for now. Despite the fear surrounding AI, there is another side to the story. Technology does not only destroy jobs, it also creates entirely new industries. Years ago, nobody imagined jobs like social media manager, app developer, YouTuber, drone operator, AI engineer. But today, millions of people work in industries created by modern technology. AI may create new careers that do not even exist yet. For example, AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI safety specialists, AI ethics consultants, human AI collaboration experts. Some companies are already hiring workers, specifically to manage AI systems. Others need humans to check AI mistakes. And while AI may automate repetitive work, it could also allow humans to focus on more creative tasks. The future may not be humans versus AI. Instead, it may become humans working together with AI. Behind the scenes, the world's largest technology companies are racing to dominate artificial intelligence. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Meta are investing billions of dollars into AI development. Why? Because whoever controls powerful AI systems could shape the future of business education, entertainment communication, and even government's AI is becoming more than a technology trend. It is becoming an economic battle, a global competition, and the speed of this race means AI tools are improving constantly, faster than many governments and workers can adapt. Although AI is powerful, it is not perfect. AI systems still make mistakes, sometimes serious mistakes. AI can generate false information, misunderstand context, create fake images, imitate human voices, and spread misinformation. This creates major ethical concerns. Imagine a world where fake videos look completely real. AI scams become impossible to detect, companies rely too heavily on automation, and millions of workers struggle to find employment. Some experts warn that society may not be fully prepared for such rapid technological change. Others believe governments will eventually introduce laws to slow down certain AI developments. But one thing is clear, artificial intelligence is already changing society, and there is no sign that development will stop. Despite the fear and controversy, many people are incredibly excited about AI because AI also offers enormous benefits. AI can help doctors detect diseases, assist disabled people, improve education, automate dangerous work, and increase productivity dramatically. Some experts believe AI could improve living standards around the world. Businesses may become more efficient, workers may spend less time doing repetitive tasks, students may learn faster with AI tutors, and scientific discoveries could happen much more quickly. In many ways, AI has the potential to become one of humanity's most powerful tools. The challenge is learning how to use it responsibly. The biggest question is not whether AI will change work, because that is already happening. The real question is, how much will society change? Some experts predict a future where humans work fewer hours while AI handles repetitive labor. Others fear rising unemployment and economic inequality. Nobody knows exactly what the future will look like, but history shows something important. Humans are adaptable. Every major technological revolution created fear at first, yet society eventually changed and evolved. Still, artificial intelligence may become one of the most disruptive technologies humanity has ever created, because unlike previous machines, AI is beginning to imitate human intelligence itself, and that changes everything. Another hidden effect of AI is psychological fear. Many people feel anxious about becoming irrelevant. Workers worry, what if my skills become useless? Artists fear losing creative value. Students fear studying careers that may disappear. Even highly educated professionals now question long-term job security. This emotional impact is difficult to measure because work is not only about money. For many people, work also provides identity, purpose, stability, and confidence. And when technology changes too quickly, people often feel lost. That is why the AI revolution feels different from previous technological changes. This time, machines are entering deeply human areas: communication, creativity, and decision-making. Experts believe the workers most likely to succeed in the AI era will be those who adapt, People who learn how to use AI instead of ignoring it may gain huge advantages. For example, designers using AI tools, programmers using AI assistants, teachers using AI tutoring systems, video creators using AI editing software. AI may not completely replace humans, but humans using AI may replace humans who refuse to adapt. And that may become one of the biggest lessons of the next decade. Technology rewards adaptation. Always has, always will. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it is already changing jobs, industries, businesses, and daily life. Some people see opportunity, others see danger, but regardless of opinion, the AI revolution has already begun. The future may become more efficient, more automated, and more connected than ever before. Yet one important question remains unanswered. As machines become smarter and more capable, what role will humans still play? Perhaps the answer will define the future of civilization itself. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos about AI technology, futuristic gadgets, and the biggest tech successes and failures. Thanks for watching.